Good evening, all. Catfish875 here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing something stupid. I'm going to be fishing in the middle of a Category 3 hurricane. Is this a good idea? No. Do I care? No. I just want to kind of see if I can catch me a fish. It's probably a bit too windy for this. But I want to answer a question that I'm stupid enough to answer and that I'm brave enough to answer. Plus, I told my coworkers I'd do it. Oh. Here I go. Now, the odds of me actually catching a fish are very, very, very slim. But I'm just going to sit out here and enjoy myself. I mean, hey, that's all fishing's about, ain't it? What's interesting is you can actually see the clouds on the screen. You can also probably hear the wind. Let's sink her way down there. Missed him. Okay, so the fish are definitely biting. Oh my gosh. Now, I've fished on the St. Johns River before, so I know how this works. The waves aren't phasing me. Oh, that's gone poorly. I caught me a tree. I'd say that's the biggest one of the season. Oop, oop. Come on, little guy. Get my worm. Stupid. Fish got my worm. Missed him. Okay, so they're definitely biting. They are definitely biting. It's just a matter of setting the hook at this point. Let me fix my worm real quick. No, I didn't see that one coming. Dogs are going off. Oh, what a save. I just took that from him. Little bluegill. It's probably about time to change the worm out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and change my worm out. Yeah, this worm's toast. Good heavens. Just gonna get a little metal worm. That ought to be enough. Not a lot. I'll be honest, I don't know why I'm trying to talk. All y'all can probably hear is I've got a gobble worms on there about 1 inch in diameter. Now, if there's a bass somewhere, that'll just take it. That won't just sit there and play with it for a minute. That's the biggest problem with all these really tiny bluegill. All these tiny bluegill, all they do is just eat around the hook all day. You know, as much as I should be concerned about something like lightning or a tree branch falling over or me drowning, I think I'm more concerned about hypothermia. I do good in the cold, but not when it's wet cold, if y'all know what I mean. I will say the sky is starting to kind of clear up. I think we're getting out of a rain band. Or just a band of the hurricane in general. I'd still count this as fishing during a hurricane because of that. Hello there. This is probably when the wind's going to be worse during this recording because it's following the rest of the storm. I'm going to go swap fishing poles. I will be back in a minute. Can I just add on that this really doesn't seem like a hurricane anymore? The sky is just pretty. Look at that. So like there's all the wind. I decided to switch my fishing pole up because the other one, no offense to those people who use ultra light or micro fishing setups, I just can't use them. It's too sensitive and stuff for me, and I can't get a proper hook set on them. They just leave. That is a beautiful worm. My goodness. That's right, it's getting dark now. Light levels over here working like it's Minecraft beta 1.3. I'd say actually alpha. It's over here like Minecraft alpha 1.3. Yeah, I mean that's literally the problem. These fish are so freaking small so spooked by all this wind, they refuse to actually bite down. They're hungry, but they don't. I can't keep a line in the water for 2 seconds. It just blows back to shore instantly. I'm full of problems, aren't I? Yes! I caught one. I caught a fish in the middle of a hurricane. Lord, I'm dumb. I caught a bluegill after like an hour and a half of just sitting there and being useless. And in the middle of a literal hurricane, I caught a bluegill.